going all the way from the bootcamp to the summer launchpad was like life-changing for our business. In the bootcamp, they taught me how to navigate business problems, how to understand better the needs of the customers that I wanted to serve.
The first one is the bootcamp. That's where you come in with an idea and expand upon it to figure out if it's something worth pursuing.
The goal of the initial Startup Bootcamp is to really get a sense of the true problem you're solving. It's an early way to start learning about the customer discovery process, validating the viability of your business, and most importantly, really validating that there's a true problem to be solved for a specific demographic of people. The initial experience I had was just really learning how to ask good questions, and that was tremendously valuable and has been something that I continue to use to this day because it gives a framework to not receive the answer that you want or that you think you might get, but the true answer that exposes a real problem that someone's facing.
I came here asking for help on figuring out how to monetize an idea, but honestly it was to the support of all the team that I felt empowered and supported to take the risk of being an entrepreneur. Honestly, they helped me with everything. I probably wouldn't be an entrepreneur if I didn't land in this building.